Okay, here we are again. This is Cameron Say. Um, this is Master the Mainframe, uh, Part 2, Challenge 3. Let's bring our screen up. And instead of using the PDF, I'm going to use the web page because it's more complete. I've got to reprint my PDF guide. So this is about JCL. I encourage you to read the background thoroughly about JCL. So JCL is something that is somewhat unique to mainframe in that it doesn't really have a parallel on another platform in terms of submitting jobs. So the mainframe has a lot of complexity to it in terms of the work that it does simultaneously. There may be thousands of jobs running at any time, and the job is just simply a piece of work that you need to have done. It may be a report that you need run, a backup you need run, a program that you need to have compiled and or executed, etc. So it has its own syntax, and Master Mainframe is not going to thoroughly first you in JCL, but it will introduce you to it. And I've got numerous videos on JCL that I'll be glad to share with you. And we will have some discussion with your more formal training with the Lead IT program. So go through the background, but I'm just going to skip to the challenge. So the first thing we do is one thing that we're familiar with already is running a command in the command line. Let me log onto my system or the system because we're all using the same one. And put my user ID, Z00745. I guess you guys are used to seeing this ID now. Password. Oh. What's going on here? Okay. Well, I was only going to get one more chance before I had to have my password reset. So make sure you type your password carefully. And again, this pause is because we have a lot of work going on in the system. So usually mainframes come up immediately. Let's go back to our task. Okay, so we're going to submit this. I think I already copied it. I think it's already on the clipboard. And so again, the TSO command says this is a command that I'm going to send directly to the operating system, ZOS. And it's not an ISPF command. ISPF has its own commands, but this is a TSO command. TSO stands for time sharing option. And it's a basic interface with ZOS. So let's submit this. This is submitting some jobs. And you see here you have 3 jobs submitted, 9.4, 9.5, and 9.6. And have an error in one of them. Okay, have an error in job 9.6. Okay, so now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go to an environment called SDSF. And they don't really give you a lot of explanation about what SDSF is. Let me see. They say something in the background about it. No, they don't say anything in the background about it. Well, what SDSF is it manages the output of JCL. And so this is the environment. I'm going to type prefix here. They say enter it. Yes, we enter this. And then we're going to put owner. Now what this does is just limit us to all jobs um, our job. So 00745. So that means that I only want to see jobs for my user ID. And you put your user ID in there, not mine, not my ID, your user ID. I'm going to say ST. I'm going to show you something here that's not in the guide. So you see all these are my jobs. Okay. All these are my jobs. Now if I do this, owner space star, and I do a status, it's going to give me everybody's jobs, all the jobs on the system. And all these jobs are running. But all these are current jobs. So now I'm going to go back to the way we're supposed to do it. Owner Z00745. And again, that's your ID, not mine. You put your user ID there. And I have my jobs here. Okay, next step. And so the next panel just shares this panel here shows the jobs that we have, and ours looks similar. I have P2 twice, but that's okay. Don't know why we have it twice, but that's okay. And then we're going to put S's to show the status of these jobs. So S there, S here, S here. I'm reading because they have some commands in here that I'm not really familiar with always in master mainframe. I always learn more about mainframe when I do master the mainframe. So this is, yeah, I'm not used to doing F3 here. Okay, so oh, I was supposed to enter there. Read the directions carefully, y'all. Enter. Okay, now I think, yeah. Now I hit F3 to go to the next job. So this, what you're seeing now is the result of the output of this job. And this RC right here, that means that that's return code. And if it's 0, that means the job ran with no errors. So it says go to the next one. Oh, I'm sorry. But ST again. S, enter. Okay, so this is the first job. So it says job 1 had a return code of 0. Okay, 94. Well, I'm getting 94 is that's the job 94 I'm looking at. Here I have an error. It says user ID, job not run, JCO. 734. Okay. And here it said job did not run. So let's see if we can figure out what our error is. Okay, so to figure out our error, what we're going to do is job 3 is 9-6. Job 9-6, job 3. So job 3 is the job name, and 00096 is the job number. So now it's going to tell us to here at 1, we're going to go to, let's do this step by step. So I'm going to put equal 34 up here. Again, you can put the equal sign anywhere in the system and go where you need to go. Here, we're going to go to our JCL data set. I need to put the prefix here. So this is where the prefix comes in handy. I could have put Z00745.jcl, but if I just put the prefix here, put a slash in front of prefix, and then hit enter, it's going to bring up my JCL. So I'm going to go into that, my JCL data set. I'm going to put E to edit. And you see I have jobs here. Now, the job that we had a problem with was job 006, I think. 4, 5, and 6. Yeah, I think that's where we had the error. No, jobs, right. Jobs, okay. Select this member here. Oh, so they have them all in one. Yeah, they have all 3 jobs in one. What you can do. What you can do. So it says highlight JCL. Highlight is a very handy command because it changes the color. Yeah. And see, it changes the colors. So I'm looking for where I see the error. I think I see it. I think I see the error. Let's go back to, now I'm gonna cheat a little bit here and I'm gonna toggle screens. There's a trick maybe I'll show you one day. How to toggle your screens. I thought it was anyway. Yeah, so I got a fresh screen here. And I'm going to go back to SDSF and see if I can find out. Let's look in job 3. I'm going to S there. Oh, no, I'm sorry. Not there. Put S here. And this is the job to not run. So let's scroll down. Okay, so I'm looking at the screen now and it's telling me, I'm not going to tell you where it's telling you that the error is, but on this screen, it's telling you where the errors are. It's telling you where the errors are. Okay, and now I'm going to go back to my other screen. And you've got to determine how to fix that error. Okay, telling you where the error is on this screen. And I'm toggling. And so this screen shows you where the error is. Now, I'm not going to tell you what it is. I don't want IBM to get upset with me. But you fix that, and then when you fix it, what you do is, when you fix it, go back to the instructions. When you fix the error, you fix the error, you just put submit here, and you rerun the job, and it will run. Okay. When you fix the error, you can fix the error on this screen, rerun the job, and it's done. And the job is going to output your next member. It's going to do that for you. And I'm going to pause the recording and I'm going to fix it. I'm going to come back and show you what happened. Okay, I corrected the error and I'm going to back up and show you the results. I corrected the error and I reran the job as per the instructions, and I'm going to show you what that looks like. So I'm going to go to ST again. So now I've got another job 1, job 2, job 3. So let's put S's by all these and look at them. So job 1 ran fine. I'll go F3. Job 2 ran fine, return code 00. Job 3, return code 00. Okay, so those jobs ran. Now let's get rid of, let me show you how to get rid of jobs that you don't want. So these here, we don't want anymore. and you just put P's there. You really are learning how to use a mainframe. And so it's going to discard them. Those jobs are gone. And so those are our good jobs. Now we go back to here, and we look at our data set, our output, P2 output. We can just do a view here. And now we see that it successfully ran added a member, hashtag 03. We view this, we look at our output. And that's number 3. And we're getting there, ladies and gentlemen. So I'm enjoying helping you through this stuff. Hope I'm not giving you too much information. Don't want to ruin the process for you, but I just want to help you with the general environment. On to challenge 4.